A special greeting for all of you from the chimpanzees of Gombe. Me, Jane.
将黑猩猩的叫声模仿得惟妙惟肖，黑猩猩的好朋友真古德来到吉隆坡静思堂举办讲座，用他的智慧、爱心与幽默散播希望的讯息。
You know, it's as though we're at the mouth of a long tunnel with a little star at the end that's hope. We can't just sit at the mouth of the tunnel and hope the star comes to up. Every single one of us makes an impact on the planet every single day. And we can choose what sort of impact we make.
She's committed so much of her life to making the world a better place. In this world that's filled with war, filled with climate crisis, filled with poverty, filled with many, many problems, it is very easy for people to lose hope. It's so important to have hope because it is the energy behind positive change. It is the energy behind inspiration. It is the energy behind not giving up.
真古德毕生致力于动物保育，为创造更健康的环境。高龄90岁的他，在一年365天中，有300天都在世界各地奔走，希望用自己说故事的方式来传递希望，改变世界。
I actually travel more than 2,000 kilometers to be here for this event because I've waited 6 years since I was 15 to be able to meet Jane in person because she is the reason that I pursue my dream. I've loved animals since I was a little kid, and then reading about her story, I get inspired and motivated.
I cannot think any other great collaboration other than Susie and Jane Goodall Institute. You can see that the vibes and then the positive message that they carry around, the hopeful feeling.
一个小小的念头可以汇聚成巨大的力量。那我们感受到他在这样子的年纪，他还是努力不懈地唤起人们对地球、对环境、对生态、对动物的保育与注意。这样子的精神是我们非常敬佩，而且我们每一个人都要有行动。
近年全球环境灾难频传且越趋严重，因此环境保护、环境教育不能等，各界都应该携手共同守护美丽地球。
我们做了很多方面的研究呢，其实是跟 ESG 有关系的，我们都必须要 make sure。里面设计课程里面的这个 course outcome 它是 in line with 我们的这个 SDG 还有 ESG 了。
Education is not only how we're teaching the next generation to care for the environment, but really teaching them about the environment that they're living in, from learning about what they see around them and becoming attached to it and wanting to help it, wanting to conserve.
After visiting Sergi, we also started our recycling center. And we are really surprised and encouraged. The response from the public and from the residents and from shoppers was overwhelming. Being as a shopping center and having the opportunity to do so, we are glad that we started the program.
希望是改变的重要成分，只要大家共同为地球的明天、为下一代、为所有的生命而努力，便能为这个世界创造更美好的家园。麦大爱吉隆坡综合报道。